Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson. The Cash Flow Center. Learning Outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover using the Cash Flow Center in QuickBooks Online. Topics: Overview of the Cash Flow Center. The purpose of the Cash Flow Planner tab. Understanding forecasted data. Fine-tuning forecasts. Making the most of the financial crystal ball. Cash flow remains one of the most stressful aspects of running a business for many small business owners. Not knowing what's around the corner can cause many clients to worry, and the time wasted worrying could be better spent increasing revenue. How can QuickBooks Online help? The Cash Flow Center in QuickBooks Online will help you support your clients with forecasting and budgeting, without the need for third-party apps. Powered by enhanced machine learning, the Cash Flow Center provides the insight you need to advise your clients about business strategy. Overview of the Cash Flow Center. The Cash Flow Center in the left-hand navigation is made up of two main tabs, or three if your client has signed up to a QuickBooks checking account. The Cash Flow Center is the only place in QuickBooks Online that combines existing QuickBooks transactions and connected bank account data with forecast transaction data, and displays them in meaningful visualizations. This gives your client a complete picture of their cash flow to allow them to make informed commercial decisions. Select the tabs for an overview of the two main areas of the Cash Flow Center. Overview. Planner. The Overview tab enables clients to view prior cash flow and the projected cash flow for the next 90 days, without any adjustments. As with any database forecasts, the more data that's available, the more accurate the forecasts will be, so connecting your client's business banks to QuickBooks Online will improve the predictions made. The Overview tab also lists all connected accounts and their account balances, as well as showing summaries of money in and money out. Additionally, there is a list of future predicted transactions. Planner. The Cash Flow Planner is not available for QuickBooks Online companies that have multi-currency enabled. The Planner tab enables clients to add or adjust future transactions to explore how different scenarios could affect future cash flow without affecting the books. The tool draws on historic transaction and connected bank account data to offer a view of what cash flow has looked like in the past. It then offers your clients a projected cash flow view into the future by drawing on transactions already entered combined with predicted future transactions based on historical activities. The Cash Flow Center offers clients two different viewing options for their cash flow, either by money in/out transaction totals per month, as viewed above, or by offering an overall cash balance view to indicate periods of positive and negative cash flow, as shown below. Below the projections are lists of all the data that contribute to the forecast plots. This includes future invoices and expenses already entered combined with events that QuickBooks Online predicts. The purpose of the Cash Flow Planner tab. The Planner tab workspace is where the Cash Flow Center becomes a very powerful tool for clients and their pro advisors. The purpose of the Planner tab is to provide clients with a safe place to play with the numbers and see how different decisions or actions could affect cash flow by adding and adjusting future transactions, but without affecting their books. This helps clients to make informed decisions about when to save, spend, borrow, and transfer money. Understanding forecasted data. The Cash Flow Planner bases its forecasts on three types of transactions. These are predicted, money in and money out transactions that QuickBooks Online predicts based on your client's financial history. These are marked with a special icon as shown below. Entered, transactions your client has entered into QuickBooks Online. This includes invoices, sales receipts, bills, expenses, payroll payments. Planned, money in and money out transactions that your client has added manually to the planner but that aren't included in their regular accounting. The filter options in the image below shows which money in and money out transactions fall into each category. Fine-tuning forecasts. The Cash Flow Planner is a planning tool, so any adjustments made in the planner won't affect your client's accounting in QuickBooks Online, their chart of accounts, or their online banking transactions. This enables clients to add, edit, or delete transactions to see how the changes would affect business performance. Select each heading to find out more. Changing the date or amount of future items. Clients can edit the expected amount and date of future items to see how specific changes may impact their cash flow. To adjust an item, select it from the list, make the change, then select Update. QuickBooks Online doesn't include overdue invoices and bills and forecasts because they're incomplete. If clients want to include them, they'll need to Go to the top of the cash flow planner list. Select Update to open a list of overdue bills and invoices. Select a new expected date and select Update for each transaction they want to add. When ready, select Done. Adding transactions for possible money in or money out. Clients can manually add transactions for potential income and expenses. For example, if they have a big sale coming up, they could add it as a transaction so it's part of the forecast. Go to the Cash Flow Center. Select Add Item. Select Money in if the item is income, or money out if it's an expense. Give the item a name and enter an amount. If it's a recurring item, select Repeating. Then select how often the item repeats. When done, select Save. If your client wants to export the cash flow details, they can select Export as PDF. Editing or removing a transaction. Clients can edit or remove transactions to see how that changes their projected cash flow. To edit or delete transactions. Edit a transaction. Go to the Cash Flow Center. Select the transaction to edit. Change the date, amount field, money in or out, or the repeat details. Select Save to save the changes. Note: if updating a repeating item, select Save, then Continue. Removing a transaction. Go to the Cash Flow Center. Select the item to remove. Select Remove. Note: if deleting a repeating item, clients can select only item to delete that single item in the series. Select entire series to delete all repeating items. Summing up. Learning outcomes. Well done! In this lesson we covered using the Cash Flow Center in QuickBooks Online. Knowledge recap. Now you understand what the Cash Flow Center offers. You can advise your clients on how to get the most out of the tool when planning for future spending and costing decisions. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll look at the uses and limitations of tagging in QuickBooks Online.